Hello, beautiful people. Hope so you're all having an amazing day because I'm having an amazing day. In our previous tutorial, we covered call by value. So today we are going to cover extending the previous one, reference variable in C++. In our very initial tutorials, we learned that variables are used to store values. They are actually memory location where we can store value. A variable provides us with named storage that our program can further manipulate in the program. So like this, here in this way, we initialize our variable. You can see here, we initialize the variable in this way. However, in today's topic, we are covering reference variable. So let's move. Reference variable is like an alias. That's the second name for the already existing variable. Once a variable is initialized with a variable, like you guys are watching here below, uh, variable, either the variable name or the reference name may be used to refer to the variable. Mean you can access the content of the variable through either the original variable name or reference. You can also describe the use of reference variable in this way that the reference variable actually can be used to represent the single memory location with two variables. Mean you can represent the single memory location with two names. First, it is the use of reference variable. Like in the below example, we are first of all initializing the variable or identifier length to 100. Second, we are making the reference variable, which is ref here. And we are using the address operator, which is and actually uh, reference operator it is. And we are putting the initialized variable length equal to the reference variable. By this way, we are actually representing the single memory location with two variables. So let's move towards our Visual Studio to properly understand. First of all, I will write the basic syntax of C++, which is the hash include the preprocessor directive. iostream is a header file which contains input-output functions using namespace and the main function. First of all, we will initialize a variable. First of all, we initialize a variable, which is length in our case, length equal to 1000, and declare a variable, a reference variable, by putting the address operator, which is and. You people know that, and our variable name would be ref and the length. Now they have the same memory location. Either we call the ref variable or length variable, we will get the same value and even the same memory location or memory address. First of all, I will print the value of ref. Also put that. Now run the program after putting the return statement, which is return pause here. In many cases, it could be return 0. Now run it. Here we go. Yes, you can guys can see that there is same 1000 is showing up for both reference and initialized variable length. If we now check for the address case, let's see what happens. Put the address operator in front of both variables. Oh, sorry. Okay, you guys are seeing that the memory address for both variables are same and equal. What if we further try this program with a different data type? Let's see what happens. Float is equal to our variable name is value is 23.91, and a second variable called operator sign, and the operator variable name would be, let's say, true. True because it's the keyword. Okay, var. Now initialize it with the variable value. Now let's see what we get. We get an error because we cannot say float into int. Okay, now the error is removed. What if I copy this whole statement in order to save time? Of value and of var. Now let's run the program for values. Yes, you can see that the wrong value is saved here. So remove this. It's actually causing problem maybe. Hey, if we put the wrong variable, then obviously no problem. It's okay. Okay, we are getting the same value, 23.91. So let's check the result for the address. But I think so. I'm doing an extra work to clear the concept of you guys. Otherwise, I know that you guys are clear with it. Now check the address. Yes, we are getting the same address here. So the last question, which number of guys asked, that what's the difference between the reference and pointers? You can not have null reference, but obviously you can make the null pointer. Once a reference is initialized to an object, like it is initialized here in the program with a variable, then once it is initialized to an object, it cannot be changed to refer to another object. However, pointer can be pointed to another object at any time in the program. A reference must be initialized when it is created, like you guys are watching here, that the first we initialize before anything the reference variable when it is created. However, pointers can be initialized at any time, whenever you want during the program. So guys, we are going to do call by reference in our next tutorial. We will go through this whole concept with examples, with concept, with everything you people need to learn. If you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And if you want to download, if you want to check your knowledge of C++, you can download the C++ programming quiz app. However, for Java student, here's another app, Core Java Quiz. Link of both apps will be in comment section. Like always, thanks for watching. Peace.